Going on World Wide Web, it's your boy Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, is it a beautiful day out here or what? A lot of you guys, you're not gonna believe, guys, it's almost winter time, right? And I believe it's about 65 degrees out here today. It's beautiful, guys, and every time I get a chance to shoot a video outside, guys, I take advantage of it. Now, in today's video, guys, I know that's not what you opted in for. In today's video, guys, I want to talk about making money on the internet. And if you guys have been on the internet for a while and you made an attempt at making money on the internet, a lot of times you run into problems because you don't know what to do. You know what I mean? You'll get involved with a business opportunity, or you'll join somebody in a money-making program. And sometimes the people that you join, they disappear, or they don't help you get started in making money online. Over 90% of people who join business opportunities, guys, they don't finish the training that they receive inside of their members areas or whatever. And another 30% don't even go into their members areas at all. So when we're talking about making money on the internet, guys, what my sole purpose has been over the last couple of years is to eliminate that process of making money from home. Oh, not eliminate it, but what I want to do is make it easier, right? And so what I mean by that is I want to show you guys exactly what to do. Give you the website, right? You're going to get a website, what I'm talking about here. I'm going to not only give you the website, but I've built a mini website, right? And so inside of that mini website, what I've done is I put action steps inside. Because at the end of the day, guys, the only way you're going to make money from home, the only way you're going to make money online or on the internet is to get people to see the opportunity that you're promoting, right? If that makes sense. You have to show it to people. You need exposure. And so we've eliminated any doubt, right? I've eliminated any guesswork for you, right? Because today I'm going to hand over to you a free website that's absolutely free. You guys are going to join, right, with me absolutely free. And then after you join, I'm going to send you, right, a link to a mini website that I put together specifically for brand new people, right? And inside of that website, you're going to have action steps. Do this, do this, do this, and all of those action steps are going to get you exposure for your business, and that's going to enable you to start stair-stepping your way to making money online, okay? Again, I've simplified the process. My sole purpose in life is to help as many people as I possibly can create financial independence for themselves in 2018 and beyond. So right below me, guys, or somewhere on this video, okay, you guys are going to give me your name and your email address, and then I'm going to take you over to a page where you're going to get to see a few testimonials from a few of our team members, and then, guys, you're going to be able to join. Again, I'm handing you over the website absolutely free. There's no monthly fees or anything you got to pay, and as soon as I see that you registered as a brand new member, I'm going to send you the link to that mini website with the